How do you stand out during the busy season? Spring has sprung, and if you thought the market was crazy before, welcome to the busy season. You've heard me say it a million times, and I'm here to say it again. It's a seller's market. And in a busy season approaching, how in the world are you supposed to stand out with the piles of offers that sellers are getting? Hi, my name is Angie Haig with Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm excited to give you some tips on how you can stand out. Tip number 1, get pre-qualified. If I could shout it from the rooftops, I would. Getting pre-qualified is crucial. When you get pre-qualified, it means that a lender has already looked at your application, pulled your credit, verified your income and assets to determine how much you can buy. Knowing that a lender already backs you means you're one step ahead of the competition. So picture this, you and another buyer put an offer on a stunning home. The only thing that separates the two of you is the fact that you're pre-approved and they're not. So who do you think the seller would choose? Tip number 2, get organized. Knowing your budget and price point can help with a game plan. Before you go shopping, I'll go over different loan programs and price points that help fit into that budget. Also, by connecting you with a real estate agent, they will be able to help you put a plan in place as well. Tip 3, make it easy. Sellers want to work with people who aren't going to make them jump through a ton of hoops. Making your offer as straightforward as possible will absolutely tilt the scales in your favor. Here are some things you can do. Make your best offer the first time. Remember, you are competing with others, and if you don't make it a good offer the first time, you're probably going to miss out. Now, I'm not saying you need to ignore your needs when writing an offer. Of course, you need to include everything you need to make this offer work. Just avoid tons of extras on top. I hope these tips help you get a good idea of what you'll need to do to stand out from the piles of other offers. If you're ready to take the first step and get pre-qualified, call my office at 405-241-5327 or go to my website and apply online at angiehaig.com. Thank you for watching this week's episode. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.